A room full of thoughts. My room is reflecting my mind. I'm overwhelmed. How did my room get this messy, and how did I even end up here? We can't choose where we come from and just happen to adjust to our environment, which influences our thoughts and habits. All these things in my room, messages I didn't reply to, appointments, opportunities, and responsibilities. Sometimes it hits me all at once. Where do I even start? Just like cleaning my room from the floor to my top shelf. When we break down all these big tasks, small enough that we can achieve it right in this moment, we will be able to achieve it. If the resistance of the obstacle is too big or the goal is too far away, we will simply give up. We get overwhelmed with the thought of how far away our goal is and forget to be present in this very moment. So we usually distract ourselves with being on our phone or spending time with other people to get distracted from what's going on inside of our mind. In order to achieve anything that you want, you need to have a clear vision, and sometimes your short and long-term goals may change. So take the time to rewrite your goals and your story. It's never too late to change your life. Break down what you want to achieve in 10 years, 1 year to 1 month, to see what you can do today to have an impact on who you will be tomorrow. By achieving your daily goals and remembering the bigger picture of why you are doing this will motivate you to keep going and help you gain confidence and live in the moment. Being present is what brings us peace. It helps us cherish the moment, to breathe and to just be. Every time I feel overwhelmed, I go on a walk, away from home and all of the things I should be doing. To embrace being, to pay attention to all the little things, and to focus on the beauty in what's already there rather than what's missing in my life. Let's embrace being present and cherishing every moment before it's gone.